only the elites will claim that this constitution South Africa has is the best constitution. This is what Advocate Moses Kakane said during the Steve Biko lecture. Listen to this.
You don't have a constitution if you've not constituted what should constitute your state after colonialism. If you want to know whether the constitution is the best constitution in the world, as we say, go ask the person who will sleep without food tonight. Everyone who has said this phrase is someone who's comfortable. They have a blanket tonight. They have food to eat. Everyone who says we have the best constitution in the world is usually a lawyer like me. Liberal, white, black, coconut, comfortable. It is true that we are afraid that Bigo would be embarrassed that we've not constituted what is called a post-colonial state. Kwame Nkrumah would be worried. Tambo would be worried.
One of the most hammered propaganda in South Africa, especially within the mainstream media, the so-called analysts and experts who, of course, are linked to the mainstream media, the white monopoly capital, and the black elite. It is that South Africa has the best constitution in the world. One of the most fundamental questions we need to ask, it is that when you say this constitution is the best constitution in the world, what are you comparing it to? Which constitutions are you comparing it to? That's number one. And number two, let's ask the question, what makes it the best constitution in the land? You'll hear one of the first things they'll tell you, it is that it protects the human rights and protects the private property. Now let's start with the human rights. You cannot talk about the human rights whereby you find yourself in a dispensation that majority of black people, we've just transitioned from colonialism under its different forms that would include apartheid. So you want to talk about the human rights, but you don't say anything about justice. In this constitution, nowhere does it talk about apartheid. That colonialism, which was for more than 300 years, created an injustice. So the constitution, its task is to what? It is supposed to be what? To redress, to ensure that it gives justice to the victims of injustices. But it does not do that. So what human rights are you talking about? Because human rights need economic muscle for you to be able to exercise those rights that the constitution, that we are told that the constitution is the best in the world because it talks about the rights. Then it talks about the protection of private property. The fact is this, the private property remains in the hands of the white monopoly capital, of the white settlers in this country, who of course gained it through killing and committing genocide against the natives, which is black Africans. You see, so is this constitution saying that those properties should be left in the hands, those are ill-gotten properties, should be left in the hands of the very same beneficiaries of a system that was once declared a crime against humanity? Then we are told this is the best constitution in the world. No, it cannot be. It cannot be, because it's the same constitution that also becomes a stumbling block. Whenever those who are elected into political power, political office, want to redress the injustices, the very same constitution is then being used by beneficiaries of colonialism to prevent any redress. So how to then say this constitution is the best constitution in the world? You see. So you guys tell me your own views. Go to the comment section, be hear your views, guys. My name is Davis Kosana. The name of the platform is Izwi Labansundu, the voice for Africans. Thank you for tuning in. Please, guys, remember to join, become a member. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much, guys. Siyabonga ma-Afrika.